The Caribbean is known for producing some of the world's greatest athletes in the sport of track and field. Time and again, the region continues to showcase new athletes who often progress and become world beaters. Over the last 5 years, athletes such as Jamaica's Rushell Clayton and Christopher Taylor, Bahamian Devynne Charlton, and Barbadian Shaunae Williams have become some of the world's most marketable athletes. This past season, fans were able to witness the region continue their athletic prowess at the World Indoor Championships, World Championships, NACAC Games, Commonwealth Games, along with weekly Wanda Diamond League meetings and continental tours. With the Caribbean athletes doing extremely well across respective events with well-known athletes such as Jamaica's Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Elaine Thompson-Herah, and Shericka Jackson, along with Bahamian Shaunae Miller-Ubio, Grenadian Anderson Peters, and Kirani James, it is quite true to say that there are more athletes on the rise. Here's a countdown of 10 Caribbean athletes to watch in the 2023 track and field season. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Number 10. Leyanis Pérez. She is a Cuban triple jumper who competed at the 2022 World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, where she placed 4th with a personal best of 14.70 meters. At 20 years old, it can be said that she should be even stronger in the 2023 season and be in contention for a medal at the World Championships in Budapest, Hungary. Number 9. Jonathan Jones of Barbados has been a 400 meters and 800 meters runner, predominantly competing in the NCAA for the University of Texas. This past season, Jones was able to make his first World Championship final in the 400 meters in Eugene, Oregon. Jones was able to run 46.13 seconds to place 8th. Just weeks later, in August, he was able to win his first medal in the 400 meters at the Commonwealth Games, where he took bronze in 44.89 seconds after leading for most of the race. With national records of 44.43 seconds and 1 minute 45.83 seconds in the 400 meters and 800 meters respectively, the 23-year-old will look to go even faster in the 2023 season. Number 8. Andrenette Knight of Jamaica has been a virtual unknown, but after running a personal best of 53.39 seconds over the 400 meters hurdles in May, fans began taking notice. After running quite comfortably in the semi-finals of the 400 meters hurdles at the Jamaica National Championships, she was bound to make the team for the World Championship. However, in the final, she fell coming off the last curve and did not make the team. Despite not making the Jamaica national team, her personal best of 53.39 seconds still made her number 6 in the world, and she should be even better for the 2023 season. Number 7. Julien Alfred of St. Lucia has been one of the world's best young sprinters since representing St. Catherine High in Jamaica. Since attending the University of Texas, she has become the 25th fastest woman in the 100 meters with a national record of 10.81 seconds, along with a national record of 22.43 seconds in the 200 meters. This past season, Alfred was able to take silver in the 100 meters in August at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. The 21-year-old is expected to continue participating in the NCAA and will look forward to making her first World Championships final in Budapest, Hungary, as she false started at the semi-finals of the 100 meters at the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon. Number 6. Alexander Ogando of the Dominican Republic has been quite consistent in his young career, especially in the 200 meters. Since earning a silver medal in the mixed 4x400 meters at the Tokyo Olympics in 2021, he was quite determined to make a name for himself in the 200 meters. He was able to run a national record of 19.91 seconds in the semi-final of the 200 meters at the World Championships, then took 5th in the final with a time of 19.93 seconds. The 22-year-old is quite versatile and could quite possibly do the 100 meters and 200 meters, or even the 400 meters. He ran world-class times of 10.09 seconds and 44.68 seconds over the 100 meters and 400 meters respectively. The 2023 season could see Ogando doing any of the 3 sprinting events, and he could possibly medal at the World Championships. Number 5. Ackeem Blake of Jamaica entered the 2022 season as a virtual unknown by running weekly 100-meter races at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. Having had a lifetime best of 10.08 seconds in early May, most fans began to take notice of this humble young talent. After almost beating former world champion America's Christian Coleman with a personal best of 9.95 seconds in the 100 meters at the New York Grand Prix in June, Blake proved himself that he could be a sure threat for years to come. Blake ended his season with a 100 meters personal best of 9.93 seconds done at the Jamaica National Championships in late June. Also, he won the NACAC Games with a new 100 meters games record of 9.98 seconds in August. At just 20 years old, Ackeem Blake is looking to be one of the world's best 100 meters sprinters for the 2023 season. Number 4. Dominican Republic's Fiordaliza Cofil was quite consistent over the 400 meters in the 2022 season, even though her compatriot Marilady Paulino was dominating the event. Cofil was able to anchor her team to gold in the mixed 4x400 meters at the Eugene World Championships in July. Cofil's better part of the season came when she was able to break the magical 50 seconds barrier in the 400 meters twice. She was able to run 49.93 seconds and 49.80 seconds, both done at the Zurich and Brussels Diamond League respectively in September. At just 22 years old, Fiordaliza Cofil is slowly becoming one of the world's greatest 400 meters runners, and the 2023 season should promise more from the young Dominican Republic athlete. Number 3. Oblique Seville ignited a firestorm in Kingston, Jamaica, when he ran a personal best of 9.86 seconds over the 100 meters in late May. The Glen Mills-coached athlete became the 24th fastest man in the event, and most fans were expecting him to win a medal at the World Championships in Eugene. But this was not the case, as Seville placed 4th in the final of the 100 meters as the American trio of Fred Curley, Marvin Bracey, and Trayvon Brummel all swept the medals. Though not earning a medal, Seville was able to run under the 10 seconds barrier 7 times more than any other Caribbean man last season. With Seville being so young at 21 years old and having experience at the Olympic and World Championship level, it can be said that he would be a force to be reckoned with for the 2023 season. Number 2. Kemba Nelson of Jamaica was quite unknown until she was able to run a personal best of 10.89 seconds to place 2nd in the 100 meters and finish ahead of the double-double Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah at the Jamaica National Championships in June. The former University of Oregon Duck has run under the 11 seconds barrier 5 times in her young career, as she went on to earn silver in the 4x100 meters at the World Championships in Eugene with her teammates of Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, Shericka Jackson, and Elaine Thompson-Herah. She also earned bronze in the same event at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, United Kingdom. The 22-year-old is known for her explosive start and is looking forward to adding more to the dominance of the Caribbean women in sprinting come the 2023 season. Number 1. Rasheed Broadbell has been one of the world's best sprint hurdlers since the 2021 season, but 2022 was where the world got the opportunity to see more of him. After having won the Commonwealth Games title in the 110 meters hurdles in early August, then days later beating double world champion Grant Holloway of the United States, fans began taking notice of this tall, lanky athlete. The 22-year-old was able to end his season with a massive personal best of 12.99 seconds, done at the Lausanne Diamond League in August. His unassuming personality and his speed on the track will make him one of the best athletes to put down fast times in the 2023 season. The Caribbean athletes will be looking forward to laying down world-class performances in the 2023 season, as they will be adding to the dominance that the region has in the sport of track and field. Who are you looking forward to seeing on the track next season? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we cheer on our Caribbean athletes. This is Chai Caribbean. Thanks for watching.